In this video, we'll look at installing iPad apps on a district iPad using the self-service app. The first step is to find the self-service app. It may not be on the first screen, so you might have to go to the second home screen and find it there. If you can't find it, you can always pull down to search and type in self-service. And then tap on the icon to launch self-service. This is the Buffalo Schools App Store. So there's a huge long list of all the apps the district has purchased, and that may be too many. So you click on the three dots and you can search by category. Click on the category and you'll see just apps that fit that category. Or you can click on the search in the lower right hand corner and type in the name of the apps. So if you're looking for Microsoft OneNote, start typing in Microsoft OneNote and then tap on the entry for Microsoft OneNote. And you'll see a description of that app. If it's the app you want, click the install button in the top right corner. That will start the installation process. It takes a while to install some of these apps, but once you see the reinstall button, that means the process has started. If you go out to the home screen, you'll see that that app may be loading on one of your home screens. Depending on the size of the app, it may take a while. Now there's a special case for app licenses, so some of the apps are paid apps that have a special app license. And what these do is give the iPad access. So first, install the app license. So in this case, we're doing Explain Everything. That doesn't install Explain Everything, but if you pull down to refresh self-service and then search for Explain Everything, there's an entry without the word license. Install that, and that will install the actual app. So the steps are to install the license and then install the app. And that's it for installing apps on a district iPad.